Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick if you want to clean up your footage, create a green screen style effect, or make your subject stand out more in your videos. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, great, just load it up so you can work inside the editor. If not, create a new project and get ready to import your clip. Next, add the video or image you want to edit to the timeline. You can drag and drop it into the project, or use the import option if your file is not already in CapCut. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on it so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. After selecting the clip, look over to the right panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its editing tools and settings. From there, go to Video, then find Remove Background. When you open that section, you should see the Auto Removal option. Click Auto Removal and CapCut will start analyzing your clip. The software will detect the main subject and begin removing the background automatically. Depending on the length of your clip and the strength of your computer, this may take a few moments, so give it a second to process. Once it's finished, you'll see that the background has been removed and your subject is isolated. From there, you can continue editing, add a new background, place text behind the subject, or build a more professional-looking composition. If the cutout is a little rough, you can usually fine-tune your edit with additional CapCut settings, or try a cleaner clip with better lighting and contrast. And that's it. You've now removed the background in CapCut using auto removal on PC. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly, especially when you just need a quick transparent style effect without doing manual masking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.